Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Bexar County Court of Law number 6 and the Bexar County Veterans Treatment Court. I'm Judge Wayne Christian. It is approximately 2:05 p.m. on Tuesday, the 18th of January, 2022. Today we have our weekly arraignment docket. I'm going to be asking each of you 3 questions. Number 1, are you in contact with your defendant? Number 2, do you have a state offer yet? And number 3, if the first 2 are yes, do you have a plan? Do you need a jury trial? Are you going to be able to work it out? What is your plan? Those are my 3 questions for you. Let's see who we got. Have we got Ross Brendel with us today?
Not yet, Your Honor.
Yes, I have.
There you are.
First
Sorry.
one is
Look, a stealth lawyer.
Jade Moore. It's a case I recently we were hired on.
Ross, hold on.
I asked
Ross,
the
stop talking. I'm going to go down my list so I don't get confused, okay? I've got you for several cases.
Okay, that's fine.
Let's start with Manuel Laredo, please.
We have an offer, but I'm still talking to him about his offer because there's 2 cases, so it's a little bit more complicated.
How much time you need to figure it out?
Probably 2 weeks. I might end up trying to get him into the DWI court.
Okay, good luck on that. Let us know. You got 2 weeks on that one. Talk to me about Michael Enriquez,
Right.
please.
That is also a client that we submitted to MHC court, mental health court, and I haven't heard back from the court yet, so it's in the process of being transferred.
Okay, and
It will not be transferred until they have accepted him and are going to plea him in.
Okay. Yeah, I think they're reviewing, or they're it's just kind of in the middle, but they said they would probably take him.
we've had an historical problem for, I don't know, 12 years. We can almost never get anybody in a mental health court, so don't plan on that. I hope it works out for you, but we have not had good luck with that. So let Pat know. You want to take 2 weeks on that one too, Ross?
Yes, Your Honor.
That's the plan.
Thank you.
Talk to me about Anzela Petukova.
That's one that we received an offer on, and I'm still talking to her about it. It looks like an affidavit of non-prosecution was signed, so I'm conferring with the prosecutors on that one still.
Sounds like 2 weeks, okay?
All right, thanks.
To give you enough time to wrestle with them. Talk to me about Ana del Puerto Ramirez.
I've also received an offer on that one, so I'm still discussing it with her, but at some point, I like the offer, so I'd like to set for a plea soon, but I'm still talking to her about it. This is the first time she's been in trouble, so.
All right, let's take 2 weeks on that one with the understanding if you figure it out before 2 weeks, just let Pat know and we'll plug you into the plea, one of those plea dockets, okay?
All right, thank you.
And also we've got Jade Moore.
That's a new case that we recently were hired on, and I believe we submitted our motion for appearance and everything. So this is one where this is the first time I confer with the prosecutors on, so I did ask for offer today.
Okay, send an offer. We're going to take 2 weeks. We're going to put all your stuff at 2 weeks to give you plenty of time to get this all figured out, okay?
Okay, great, thanks.
State, we need an offer for Mr. Brendel on Miss Moore for criminal trespass.
Yes, Your
That's your
Honor.
ability. And Ross, that's all I got for you.
I also have, if you have time, Mr. Hernandez, I was talking to you about, he wanted to talk to you briefly about that warrant.
Is this one that was supposed to get a Smart Start mobile device and I put him on Scram or something? Is that correct?
Yes, and I do see him on here, but what happened is he went up there on a Friday, and they told him that he needed to come back, but just his work schedule and everything, and it was like 1 day left, but he's been going ever since.
Ross, you're in my pile. I have 27 motions to modify and other issues, and you're one of them. So I'm sorry it's that way. But that way, I'll get to you as soon as I can, but you're already on my radar on that one, okay?
Okay, so do you want to
got
talk to him?
The last time I talked to you, do you have him on a Smart Start mobile device at 4 blows a day? Is that correct?
Yes, he's on the Scram device, and
Oh, he's on
done
the
good
Scram
with it
device.
so far.
All right. Then that should be fine. When I get to him, we'll call everything else off because I think he's done what we wanted him to do.
Okay, great.
All right, thanks. Luis Martinez, are you with us?
Not yet, Your Honor.
And stand by. Mark Zerayos, are you with us?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes,
Mark,
Judge, I'm here.
talk to me about Valdemar Herrera, please.
I have been in contact with him as of yesterday and today. I submitted an email before the last setting with a proposal for the state. I hadn't gotten a response, but I'm confident once we get an offer back and get a dialogue going, we'll be able to get it plead out.
Let's reset for 1 week to get you an offer. Will that work?
Yes, sir.
All right, that's the plan. State, please fire an offer off for Mr. Ceballos on Mr. Herrera.
Will do, Judge.
Thank you. You're out of here. Brian O'Donnell.
He's here.
Your Honor.
Is Brian with us?
Yes, Your Honor.
Your Honor, yes.
Brian, talk to me about Maria Garza, please.
Your Honor, there's a warrant active right now. I've tried all of my contact information, and even today, there's one phone that I could leave a message. I did, but I have no contact, Your Honor.
Do we have an FTA warrant out for her? Or what warrant do we have? Do we know?
It was a violation, Your Honor.
Okay, so she's got a warrant. Well, if you can find her before we find her, let us know and we'll pull the warrant back. Okay.
Very well. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. And also, I've got Joshua Zernichel.
I'm in contact, Your Honor. We have an offer. We're also waiting for the mental health court screening, which is happening right now. If we could reset the case for 1 week, we should know whether he's eligible, I hope.
No problem. Let's do that. And I've got you on a Christopher Symes.
Your Honor, I'm in contact. We have an offer. My client was asking for a counter offer. I asked the state today. I haven't received whether or not that they'll agree to what my client wants. He's looking for a JSAT. He's not eligible for the VTC.
Let's reset him for 1 week and you can wrestle with him, okay?
Very well. Thank you, Your Honor.
And I've got you on Donald Jarman.
Yes, Your Honor, I am in contact with him. He was just released from the hospital a couple days ago. We have an offer on that case. It's the same situation. My client is a vet, not eligible for VTC. He's seeking a JSAT. If I could, I asked the state today, and they need time to respond to our counter.
Let's reset that one for a week and give you all time to get together, okay?
Thank you very much, Your Honor.
And that's all I got for you, I think.
May I be excused, Judge?
You bet. Thank you. David Vogt, are you with us?
I do not have him.
Is David with us?
No, Your Honor.
Matthew Brown, are you with us?
He is.
I am, Your Honor. Sorry, couldn't move
No
the mouse
problem.
fast enough.
Talk to me about Gilbert Hernandez, please.
So I'm in contact with him, Judge. We've been given an offer. He would like for me to go back and receive a counter offer. His main sticking point is a mobile breathalyzer device. And we're uncertain whether or not the court will entertain a plea that includes one mounted in the vehicle only.
No, we don't do that. That way if we do that, what our experience has shown is that most colorful individuals have two cars, one with their ignition interlock that if they're not drinking, they drive that car, and the other car does not have an ignition interlock. And that's the one we catch them with additional DWIs in. So we gave up on that. So we're just using Smart Star Mobile, and we can monitor folks 24 hours a day, and nobody dies. It works like a wonder.
Sir, okay, if I could just get a couple of weeks to chat with him longer to see what it is he actually wants to do.
Sure. You got 2 weeks on Mr. Hernandez, okay?
Thank you, Judge.
And that's all I got. No, we got another one for you. How about Francisco Salinas, please?
Your Honor, on that one, Therese Hunsinger emailed me that she has recently been hired. She'll be putting in her notice of retained counsel, and she's asking for a reset. Something about she needs to get discovery.
Okay, and who's that is coming in? I'm sorry.
Therese Hunsinger.
All right, great. Just reset for a week unless Therese needs more time.
I'll check with her, Your Honor.
All right, thanks. Okay. You're out of here, Matthew. You got off the hook.
Thank you.
Bob
Your
Hicks,
Honor.
are you with us?
No, Your Honor, not at this time.
Bob Hicks is always with us. He's like roaches. We can't get rid of him. Cornelius Cox, are you with us?
He's here.
I did, Judge.
Oh my God, you're here and you're on time. My
I'm
heart
here
is
on
filled.
time.
How
That's
about
correct.
Javier Gonzalez, Cornelius?
Okay, on him, Judge, I need additional time, Judge. Could I get it reset so I can
Sure. Are you in contact with him? No problem.
in contact with him? Yes, Your Honor.
Have you received an offer yet?
I don't believe so, Judge. I'm gonna ask the state if they can just email me an offer. That'll be helpful.
State, if you haven't already, please send Cornelius an offer on Mr. Gonzalez. And will a week give you enough time, Cornelius?
A week, 2 weeks would be better.
All right, let's go to
2 weeks and tell them to make it a good offer, Judge.
anytime you show up on time. I'm so excited. I'm just going to give you almost anything you want. How's that?
Okay, well, dismissal. I'll take it.
We're in my authority. I'd give you that, but I don't have that
All
ability.
right. Thank you,
Okay,
Judge.
State, that's your ability.
All right.
Fire off an offer to Mr. Cox on Mr. Gonzalez. And that's all I
All
got for you, Cornelius. Thanks.
Thank you, Judge.
Vic Aguilera, are you with us?
Good afternoon, Judge. I'm here at Juventino Barrientos. I am in contact with him. We have an offer we would like to accept. We do need and will need an interpreter as he is a Spanish speaker.
Pat, over to you.
The next one where I do have an interpreter already scheduled would be the 27th at 2:00
27th of who?
this month.
Good question.
March, April?
January.
Ask what year, too. That's another good question.
Well, we just crossed into 22. February 27 at 2:00?
No,
January.
January 27th at 2:00.
Good Lord Almighty.
Judge, I gotta wash my hair that day. Can we do it at 3? I'm kidding. I'll see you at
Anytime that day's okay with me, Pat. Just, between 2 and 5, just plug in.
I know that, Your Honor.
Judge, I'll see you on the 27th.
All right, all good.
That's a big excuse.
That's all I got for you, Mick, I think.
Thank you.
Marshall, talk to me about Heather Solis, please.
Good afternoon, Judge. Yes, I am in contact with Ms. Solis. I have not received an offer from the state. So if I could get an offer from the state, much like Mr. Cox, that would be very much appreciated.
State, fire off an offer on Ms. Solis for Mr. White. Let's reset for a week. Will that be okay with you, Marshall?
Judge, I'm probably more like Mr. Cox. I mean, we'll make sure we get a
All
good
right,
offer.
2 weeks for Mr. White. And Marshall, I've also got you on a Jahi Dorsey, it looks like.
Yes, I believe Mr. Lewis. Yes, Mr. Lewis sent me an offer today, Judge. I have not conveyed that offer to my client. So, maybe another 2 weeks to get that offer conveyed to him and get a response back.
No problem. You are in contact with Mr. or Miss Dorsey?
Yes, I'm in contact with both individuals.
All right, let's reset both of those for 2 weeks for you. How's that?
Sounds great, Judge.
That's all I got. Thanks, Marshall.
Okay, have a good day.
Pat Montgomery, talk to me about Alfredo Hernandez, please.
Yes, sir. We have a deal with the prosecutor. We just need to be put on the plea docket, sir.
Okay. Can you do it this Thursday at 2:00?
Did you say this Thursday, the 20th?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, if you would send me the email, an email with their email address. After we finish here, I will send you the paperwork and the Zoom.
One of the 3 cases will be dismissed, and I'll put that in there too.
Please, I'd appreciate that, Pat.
Thank you. May I be excused, Judge?
That's all I got for you, Pat. Thanks. David Volk, talk to me about Daniel Juarez, please.
Judge, I got an offer from the state by email, I think within the last 24 hours or so. I'm going to go over it with my client. Problem is with his job, the plea is a problem. So what'll probably happen is I'll request a trial setting in April.
Pat, go ahead and put him on the jury trial docket. And David, if that changes, just get up with Pat. Will that work?
Yes, Judge. Were we looking at April 4th?
No, it would be the 18th now.
The what?
The 18th.
Of April?
Yes.
Okay.
Let's all hold our breath on that one.
Well, we'll see. I mean, we'll be ready to go either way.
And that's all I got for you today, I think.
Thank you, Judge. May be excused.
Did you say you'd received an offer on Mr. Juarez or not?
I did. We
right.
received an offer by email. I'm going to call and go over with him. If he wants to
Okay.
take it, I'll let you know.
We're good. Thanks, Dave. Scott Martinez, are you with us?
Yes, Your Honor.
Talk to me about
Yes,
David
Judge.
Duke.
Yes, he had a felony pending, just got dismissed, so I just need to confer with the state. If I can get a short reset to do that, that'd be great,
Okay.
Judge.
Any of you guys that would like to confer with the state today, the possibility exists, depending on how long it takes for us to get there. I would say come back at, wait, is it 3 or 3:30, Pat, do you think today, for them to confer with the DA?
Probably 3:30, Your Honor.
right. Let's say 3:30 if y'all want to come back today. In the meantime, I'm going to go ahead and reset you. And then if you need to change that setting, just let Pat know.
Yes, Judge.
Okay, so today, you're in contact with Mr. Duke, correct?
Yes, Judge.
And you received an offer or not?
I have not. There was a felony pending. It just got dismissed.
All right, let's state at your ability, please file up an offer for Mr. Martinez on Mr. Duke. And we give you enough time to figure this out, Scott?
Yes, Judge.
All right, reset 1 week. That's all I got for you. You're out of here, Scotty. Thank you.
Yes, Judge. Thanks.
Stacy Krause, are you with us?
She's not in yet, Your Honor.
Ernie Acevedo, are you with us?
He's not in yet, Your Honor.
And Ray Martinez or Victoria, are you with us?
Victoria's
Okay.
in.
Victoria, talk to me about Robert Madrigal, please.
Your Honor, he is he should be logged on. I just talked to him on the phone and I could hear the audio.
I'm here.
He actually, I have a criminal trespass and Ms. Levenstein has the deadly conduct. We haven't quite gotten an offer on him. I'm assuming the state's gonna want to proceed on one and not the other. I don't know if we can go into a breakout room or we can do an email chain.
If you come back today at 3:30, I can send you into a breakout room. I can't before then because we're in the middle of arraignment docket.
Okay.
Can you reset for a week? Will that give you enough time in case you don't have the ability to come back today to talk to him? You can talk to him in the next week or so.
That's,
Will that work?
yes, Your Honor.
All right, let's reset that one for a week. And you say you need an offer on the deadly conduct and the criminal mischief, correct?
We need to, what we're gonna do with those.
Can I say something?
Go ahead.
Who's talking?
Brenda Levenstein.
Brenda Levenstein, what would you like to say?
Okay, well, I'm appointed on the deadly conduct and Ms. Cruz under Raymond Martinez's office name was hired on just the criminal mischief. And I've lost contact with Mr. Madrigal. I've been texting the numbers that I got for him and I guess his wife or girlfriend or somebody, and I haven't had any response for a long time. So I want Ms. Cruz to lead the charge on this.
Have you been hired on both these cases, Victoria?
No, Judge, he's come up, honestly, he hasn't been able to hire us on the second one. This is the gentleman who passed last week.
All right. Well, at this point in time, if you would, we don't want to do it now, but just you and Brenda stay in touch and let Brenda know how to get in contact with Mr. Madrigal.
Yes, sir.
Will that be okay, Brenda?
I guess.
All right. And we're going to reset that one for a week to give the state a chance to give you some offers. All right. Talk to me about Desiree Tovar, please.
Your Honor, I've received an offer. He is present, and we're going to get a trial set on this one, please.
Right.
Okay, I missed that. You're going to do what now? I'm sorry.
We're going to need a trial setting on this one, please,
Great.
Your Honor.
Pat set this up for jury trial.
Yes.
And that takes it off of our docket today. All right. How about Viviana Alvidrez?
Same, Your Honor. Offer received. No deal. Miss Alvidrez is logged on, and we request to set a jury setting, please.
Same deal, Pat. Thank you. And last but not least, talk about Cesar Martinez Acosta.
Your Honor, that is not theirs. That is Armando Martinez.
Oh, it's Armando's. Never mind.
Yes. And Judge, Mr. Martinez signed in real early. He is in federal court. He has contact with them. He is conferring with the state because there are, I don't know whether there's a warrant out for him somewhere, and they're trying to work this out. He would like a 2-week setting so that they can get all this all together and work it out.
No sweat. Give Armando 2 weeks. Victoria, that's all I got for you. You have anything else?
No, Your Honor, that'll be all.
All right, thanks. Robert
Thank you.
Maurer, Marshall Roberts, please.
He's not in yet.
I just thought I swear I just saw him. All right. Edward Brabenek, are you with us?
He's not in yet.
Judge Joanne, are you with us?
Your Honor, that she's not in, but some of the others have come in. Luis Martinez has come in, Your Honor.
All right, let me back up. Louis, talk to me about Stephen Herrera, please.
Judge, Mr. Herrera is on full house arrest for a criminal trespass case or criminal mischief. I forget which one. I need to get permission for him to leave the house and come to my office to make a bond on the new case.
I don't have any recollection what's going on with that, but obviously he did something wrong or didn't show up or something, or I wouldn't have done anything bad to him.
It was something like that, but he's got an at-large assault that's been filed, and so I need to get him in and have him make bond. But I'm in contact with him.
All right. And you represent him on both cases, an evading and an ABI married?
That's correct, Judge. I do. It's
Right,
that.
great.
There we go. The evading case.
How much time you need?
Realistically, I need 3 to 4 weeks to get permission for him to leave, have him go turn himself in, that sort of thing.
How about we put both these cases on the jury trial docket just to keep you off the weekly docket stuff? And then if as and when you get them worked out, just let Pat know. Will that work?
That should be just fine, Judge.
And in the meantime, send me a text message or something in writing about this guy's situation. Let me look at it and see if we can't call off the dogs. Now, talk to me about Larissa Flores, please.
So, Ms. Flores, I just need to go ahead and confer with the state and get an offer. I haven't done that yet.
All right, state, we need offers on Stephen Herrera and Larissa Flores. It's your ability. And can we reset this one for a week, or you need more time on this one, Lewis?
Some more time on this one, Judge.
2 weeks? You want to go on the jury trial docket?
Let me go on the jury trial docket so that she and I can get all square on our contractual
That's
arrangements.
fine. So, Pat, we're going to put both Lewis's clients on the jury trial docket.
Yes, sir. Now,
All right, that's all I got for you, Lewis.
Your Honor,
Yeah.
on the next page, Mr. Dittman is here, and I do not know whether he is here for Mr. Hicks.
Let's ask him. Mr. Dittman, how copy, over? Robert, can you hear me?
Veteran Court 6.
There
This is
you go.
Dittman Actual, over.
Are you still co-counseling with Bob Hicks on
Yes,
Andrea
yes.
Overton?
Andrea Overton is not my client, I believe. What I am here for is Megan Herrera.
Okay, let's talk about Megan Herrera. Have y'all received an offer?
There's a PTD issue. There was an administrative thing through no fault of anybody, but she now has the contract as of today, and she is now reviewing, and that's currently where the case is. So we still would like to proceed with the PTD offer, and as far as we know, everything is still in place.
Right now, I'm going to reset you for 1 week. As soon as that contract gets filed with the DA formally, let Pat know. We'll reset you for 30 days, okay?
Aye, aye, sir.
And I
there's
think that's all I got for you until Bob shows up.
Aye, aye, sir. There's another client for him, and I don't know anything about that. I think Megan Herrera is the only case I'm on, right?
I've got an Andrea Overton and a Crystal Delgado for Bob.
Okay. And am I still listed jointly on the cases that he and I are still doing, or is there some kind of snafu?
You're
I
still
wasn't sure.
listed. You're still listed at this point. I don't know that you filed a motion to withdraw from it.
No, I haven't. So
Okay.
just to be clear, I'm still co-counsel on all of the cases that I had before.
In our
The only
court,
difference-
yes.
Yes, well, on all the courts, right. So I'm trying to finish up the cases. I'm just not accepting any new cases from Bear County.
Exactly. Okay.
Okay, but the only case you have me listed for, Pat, is
Megan.
Ms. Okay, Roger that.
All right,
Aye,
you're
aye,
out of
sir.
here. Thanks, Robert.
Thank you, sir. Like my K-bar? It's nice.
Yeah. Robert Maurer, you're back. Talk to me about Marshall Roberts.
Judge, I talked to Marshall on Friday. If you can give me a week, I think we may have a deal worked out.
Reset for a week, no problem. What else? How about Merced Cruz?
The felony got rejected, Judge. I guess if I need to get an offer from the persecutors, so I can talk to him about that.
State fired an offer off to Mr. Mauer on, is this Miss Cruz, I'm guessing?
No,
And,
it's a guy.
oh, Mr. Cruz. And let's reset that one for a week. Will that work, Robert?
Sure, next Monday, same afternoon docket, right?
Next Tuesday at
Okay.
2.
Perfect.
All right, you're out of here. Thanks. And Oscar Hernandez, are you with us?
No, not yet, Your Honor.
Joe Stenberg, are you with us?
Not yet, Your Honor.
Gosh, show's going. Adam Crawshaw, there's a name from the past.
Yes.
Adam, are you with us?
He's not in here yet, Your Honor.
Didn't he practice in Dallas or somewhere?
I have no idea, Your Honor.
Gail Calderola, are you with us?
She was here, Your Honor.
Your Honor, I'm here.
All right, talk to me about Richard Rivera, please.
Yeah, we just got declined from Veterans Court, and I just spoke with my client. He's going to jump on the Zoom here, and I think he wants to accept the plea that I had with Ashley, and I got that, I guess, in November. So if that's still available, we'll take.
All right, this is outside the Veterans Treatment Court, correct?
This is outside, yes. And
Okay, Pat, can you set that for a plea?
Yes.
Okay. We can do it this Thursday at 2:00. If it's accepting that plea and it's still on board, I just need the email address and I need it as soon as possible so I can send you the paperwork and the link.
Okay, this is on January 20th, right?
Yes, this
okay.
Thursday.
Okay, that's great. I will send you as soon as I get off here.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, we're good. Thank you, Gail.
Thank you, Judge.
You bet. Carlos Ramirez, are you with us?
Not yet, Your Honor.
Jesse Sepulveda, are you with us?
Not yet, Your Honor.
Thomas Limon, are you with us?
Not yet, Your Honor. It's just 2:30.
Oh,
I'm here, Your Honor. Thomas Hill is here.
Thomas Hilly?
Your Honor, Suzanne is.
All right, talk to me about Amanda Torres, please.
Thank you, Pat. Unless she's on Zoom, I need time to find her, Your Honor, please.
She's not on.
Okay, how about another week? If you can't find her in a week, let me know. I'm gonna have to put a warrant out for her, okay?
Happy New Year, Your Honor. Thank you so much.
Let's reset for next Tuesday. All right, thank you, Tom.
Thanks, bye-bye.
Who's here that I missed before?
The next one, no, everybody's in order now. Suzanne would be next.
Stacy Krause ever show up?
No, Your Honor.
Ernie Acevedo ever show up?
No, Your Honor.
Edward Bravenek ever show up?
No, Your Honor.
Oscar Hernandez ever show
No,
up?
Your Honor.
Joe Stenberg ever show up?
No, Your Honor.
Adam Crawshaw?
No, Your Honor.
Carlos Ramirez?
No, Your Honor.
Jesse Sepulveda?
No, Your Honor.
Thomas Limon?
No, Your Honor.
And Joe Gaiamin?
No, Your Honor.
Fernando Ramos?
No, Your Honor. Are you frozen? Judge?
Is Suzanne with us?
Yes.
I see
It's like
you
1:45.
every night, every night.
Every night. I try to get PTD through Megan and through Ross, and it's a no-go. So I've got a deferred offer, which I need to convey. I mean, I've talked about it before with Avery. I'm thinking it's probably going to have to be a trial, but I'll see. I mean, Avery is still not entirely understanding why there's any charges pending, so that sounds trialish to me. And then I've got a second case, Judge.
I think we lost Judge.
We lost Judge.
We lost him.
Yes.
Of course we did. Right when it's my turn.
That's kind of weird.
It's a conspiracy, Suzanne.
Good afternoon, Pat. Can you see me?
Yes, I can see you. I just texted him to make sure he realizes that he's off.
Well, and I can actually tell you on Gracie Saavedra, that's the next case up, and I emailed the contract on PTD to Beatrice on the 12th. So we're just waiting for them to contact Gracie with instructions.
Well, I need to know what he wants to do with whether.
Well, I mean, obviously I need a reset on her. but
Yeah,
on
I know,
Avery, but-
I understand, but I can't do it anymore. I gotta wait for him. Hold a minute. He's not even answering on his phone, so hold on, let me see.
Are we all just waiting right now?
Yep.
Yep. It's all your fault, Joe.
You know what? According
It's all your fault.
to my ex-wives, you're 100% correct. Eddie, did you find out if that guy, Jesus Garcia, is veteran treatment court yet or not? I sent you an email.
I haven't looked into whether he's been in VTC. I'm not sure if I have an application yet. Has an application been submitted?
I forward the stuff to my client.
Okay. I'll check and I'll look into it to see if he has applied yet.
Thank you.
Okay, his computer messed up. He cannot log in there. He's logging in with a different computer. So just hold on.
And Ross, is your computer ready today?
It is actually working today.
All right.
Yeah, I'm back in the office, so I'm not being held back. I can actually work today.
It used to be the puppy ate the homework excuse. Now it's everybody's saying it's my computer.
Yeah, true.
Excuse me, is that Eddie?
I'm here, yes.
Hi, Eddie. My name's Les Herbst. I've got a case I'd like to confer with you on. Jeffrey Burnett.
And y'all can confer at 3:30. We're just waiting for the judge. You're not conferring now. I'm not.
Yeah, we'll go ahead and wait till 3:30 if you can. If not, I'll try to email you just in case the judge comes in right now.
Okay. Well, the thing is, we just heard a voice from on high, as the old saying goes.
At 3:30, you can.
Yes, Miss Pat.
You're welcome. He's coming in right now.
You ought to have walk-on music, you know.
Okay, Your Honor, you were with Suzanne. We were finishing up Suzanne's.
Okay. Sue, talk to me about, let's see what we're doing here. We talked about Avery Knight, right? So we're done with that one?
Are we
Yeah, I
setting it? How far are we setting that, Your Honor?
How far you want to set it?
Susan?
I just need to talk to Avery about yes or no on the deferred
Okay.
offer.
All right. We had not on Grace.
About a week. Will that be enough time?
That should be fine, Judge.
All right. Okay. And then talk to me about Gracie Saavedra.
Judge, I emailed Beatrice on January 12th, the contract. She has contacted me wanting all of Gracie's contact information to give her the instructions. So that's working.
All right. So you're in contact with her, correct?
Oh, yes.
Have you received an offer from the state on that one yet?
Well, we've been accepted into the PTD program and we have submitted the contract to Beatrice. We're just waiting for them to give her a schedule.
So did you have actually formally submitted your contract?
On
Yes,
January the 12th.
All right. So let's reset that one for 30 days to give the state a chance to give you a go, no go on that one.
She has another one, Your Honor.
I do?
And I've also got you down for a Dennis Horwath.
Oh, gosh, I didn't see his name on there. I am in contact with him. And I think I have, you might want to go to another person, Judge. I think I've got an offer, but I have to look it up. If you want to go to the next person in line.
Let's just reset for a week. State, if you have not already fired an offer off to Suzanne, please fire one off on Mr. Horwath. Let's reset that a week. Will that work, Suzanne?
Yes.
All right, let's do that.
Oh, I remember what it was.
all
I'm going to, thank you. I remember. Thank you.
Thanks. Sam, few get with us.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, Judge, right here.
About Joe Quintanilla, por favor.
Yes, Judge. We were just here about 2-3 weeks ago. We're just waiting on an offer from the state. I sent a message to Ross with my email so that he could send that over to me. And I've got a waiver of arraignment filed and accepted. So we just need to reset, get that offer, and I need to talk to my client.
Will we give you enough time?
Sorry, Judge.
Will a week give you enough time?
Judge, I'm pretty heavy booked next week. Can we come back maybe the first week of February?
Sure. What day would that be?
The first.
Let's do that one. And you need an offer on Mr. Quintanilla, correct?
Yes, Judge.
And apparently I've done bad things to him because we had some sort of high BRAC violation report or something. So he's currently got a warrant out for him, it looks like.
Yes, he does, Your Honor.
All right, so let's reset that one until the February date and state at your ability, file off an offer for Mr. Fugate for Mr. Quintanilla, okay?
Will do, Judge.
All right, thanks. You're out of here.
Thank you, Judge.
He's not in, Your Honor. Joseph knows anything about him or not. Joseph states.
You're breaking. Joseph or Stephen?
Check for Stephen Reynolds. Give
All
me
right.
one moment. Here for Joanne de Hoyos, though.
Let's talk about Stephen Reynolds' case on Yeth Marshall. Are you involved with that one? Teth Marshall. T as in Tango.
I had appeared last week. I don't have an update. Let me stay on Zoom and get an update from Mr. Reynolds.
Let's reset that one for a week. Let me go back and find Judge Joanne's. Okay, I got Jacinda Torres.
Yes, we have contact. We need an offer. I was checking Joanne's emails. I don't think we got one yet.
State at your ability, file off an offer for Judge Joanne and Joseph on Jacinda Torres. Let's reset a week on that, Joseph. Does that give you enough time?
That works. Yes.
All right. And the next one I've got is Ramon Silvera.
Yes. Okay, he's active duty. He does not live here. We have an offer. However, he's scheduled to deploy March 1st. And technically, we only have contact with his mother. We cannot speak to him directly. Not even the mother can speak with her son. He's in Fort Riley and COVID. Nobody is allowed to talk with him, speak with him. But we need time to figure out what we can do before March 1st because he's going to deploy.
You know about Fort Riley, Kansas?
All I know, Fort Riley, I have no idea where that's at, Judge.
Fort Riley, Kansas was a duty station for General Custer before he went off to fight the Indian. And he told everybody, don't change anything till I get back. So it still looks the same as it did back then. All right. That being said, try and get in touch with him in some capacity, or his mother at least. And I need to know who, what, when, where, why about him. Any military orders he gets, obviously he can follow. I'm not going to interfere with that. But I need to know what's going on with him and where he's going. And the war's over, so I don't know where he's deploying to.
Okay. Yes, Judge. I will.
And that's all I got for you, Joseph, and for Judge Joanne, I think.
Are we setting it for 1 week, Your Honor, or 2?
Set it for 1 week, keep it on my radar, but if Joseph needs more, just call Pat.
Okay, Your Honor.
The Army works slow sometimes. All right.
All right. Thank you, Judge.
Bob Hicks, you're here. Let me back up to you. Your partner in crime was here a minute ago. Let's talk about Andrea Overton.
All right. How are you today, sir?
All right. Are you in contact with Miss Overton?
Oh, absolutely.
You have an offer on Miss Overton's case?
Let me check. Eduardo said he was going to review my counteroffer and get back to me, but he has not yet done so.
All right. Let's reset you for a week and let you guys get together and see if you can come up with a plan, okay?
All right.
And then talk to me about Crystal Delgado, please.
Just a second, let me finish the notes.
I'm sorry? Oh, you're looking at notes. Okay.
No, I'm making notes.
Are you in contact with Crystal would be my first question.
Oh, absolutely.
And have you received an offer from the state would be my second question.
She has submitted her pretrial diversion contract. I'm
All right.
waiting for her to sign it and send it back to me.
So she has already formally submitted it to the DA, is that correct?
She has already formally submitted it to the DA. That is correct.
You set that for 30 days so you can get an answer from the state on the pretrial diversion program, okay?
All right.
That's all I got for you, I think.
Nope.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, thanks, Bob.
That's not it.
You have something else? What else you got?
Megan Herrera,
Let's see.
670806.
Mr. Dittman came in and discussed that.
Okay. She too has been accepted into pretrial diversion.
Right.
Yeah,
And has submitted it.
we set that one for 1 week, and then as soon as y'all actually formally apply for pretrial diversion and give the offer or give the contract to the state, let Pat know. We'll reset you for 30 days on that one also.
Let's see. God, I can't read my writing. Yeah, I have submitted the contract to her to get it signed, and I'm waiting for her to send it back.
To the state, let Pat know. That's all I'm asking.
All right.
All right, thanks, Bob. Stephen Reynolds, let me find you.
We reset that one a week, Your Honor.
Yeah. And then during that week, theoretically, they'll call you and tell you that they actually formally submitted the contract, I hope. Stephen, talk to me about Tess Marshall.
Your Honor, may I be excused?
Sure.
Thank you. Everyone have a lovely day.
Thank you. Stephen Reynolds, can you hear me? Maybe you're going by Eric today. Maybe you're trying to stay incognito.
And
Lost him.
I think he left. I don't see him now.
All right. Angela Blake, are you with us? No, Angela? Monica Kerala, are you with us?
No, Your Honor.
Jennifer Solis, are you with us?
Yes, Your Honor. Good afternoon.
Can talk to me about Vicky Sanchez, please.
My client is here with me in my office. We did receive an offer from the state. However, there's some pending discovery that needs to be submitted to us. And we did send them an email request. I reviewed the discovery packet they had, and I'm missing some information.
What specific items of
The
discovery?
blood test result.
Okay, let's do this. I suggest that we put you on our jury trial docket, knowing full well the probability is we won't have a jury trial. But that way, I'm bringing you back every couple of weeks to ask what's going on. And then once you get your discovery resolved with the state and you come up with a new plan, just let Pat know. Would that work?
That sounds good, Your Honor. Thank you.
Thanks. You're out of here.
What would the next court date be, though, more or less?
The trial date would be April 18th.
Okay, thank you so much. May we be excused?
You bet. Stephanie Esparza, are you with us?
She is, Your Honor.
Yes. Good morning. Hello, Judge. Good afternoon.
Talk to me about Tyrell Lewis, please.
Yes, Your Honor. Mr. Lewis, he had applied for pretrial diversion, but was rejected recently. So this one needs to get, I just need to get a different offer.
I'm having a hard time understanding you. It sounds like you're in a 55-gallon drum and someone is not letting you talk.
Okay, I'm sorry, Judge. Can you hear me okay?
Barely. Go ahead.
Sorry. He applied for pretrial diversion, but he was not accepted. And
Okay.
so I'll just get an offer, I guess, to find out what we can do.
State, at your ability, fire off an offer for Mr. Lewis for Mr. Esparza. He has 2 cases of criminal mischief and an ABI married, it looks like. And let me reset you for a week if that's okay, Steph, to get that offer and talk to your client about it, okay?
Okay, thank you, Judge.
And see if that's all I got or not. I don't know. It is. You're out of here. Thank you, Steph.
Okay, thank you.
Andreas, talk to me about Alfredo Moreno, please.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. I believe our office has contact with them. This is you're aware it's a first setting. We don't have an offer at this time.
Okay, state at your ability to file off an offer for Mr. Campion on Mr. Moreno. Let me reset you for a week to get that offer. Will that work?
That'll work, Your Honor.
Okay, I see Stacy has made it. Let me find your cases here. Stace, talk to me about Michael Moreno, please.
Eddie just wants one more try to get a hold of the complainant before he makes a decision.
All right. So basically right now you're not in contact with him?
Oh, my client? No, I am.
Oh, you are? Okay.
No,
And
Eddie, the prosecutor,
have you received
wants to get in touch with the complainant.
have you received an offer yet?
I think I have received an offer, Judge, but we're not.
Okay, if you want to confer with the state, you can come back at 3:30 today.
No, I've already conferred. Eddie, the prosecutor just wants another week, Judge.
All right, so another week we'll do on that one?
Yes.
All right, next one I've got for you is Jesse Weezar.
Yes, Judge.
What's going on with Jess?
I have an offer.
All right. And what do you want to do? Do you know yet?
I do not.
How much time you need?
It's up to you, Judge.
Oh, a week is my default.
That's fine, Judge.
Will that work?
Yes.
All right, that's all I got for you, Stace.
Thanks, Judge.
Thank you.
Bye.
And going back on my normal record here. If any of these past folks by bypass come in, let me know and we'll go from there. But let's talk about Walter. Are you with us?
Who?
Walter Serna?
Yeah.
Judge, I'm present for Walter.
All right.
And Mr. Halverson is on. He's present as well, Judge.
All right.
And Judge, so my understanding is that they were waiting on the lab results, which they just recently received. And so we'd like to confer with the state.
All right.
If possible.
State, you haven't even filed an information on this? How old are these cases? I see you have 2 cases. Nope, only 1 case.
It's 1 case, Your Honor.
Okay.
Yes, Your Honor, but he has an active warrant due to a violation report, Your Honor.
Yeah.
That's my understanding, Judge, but I believe he contracted COVID for the month of December, and there were some times that he wasn't able to, I guess, blow into the handheld device. But I guess that's something we can discuss whenever you're ready to talk about it, Judge.
We can't do it during arraignment docket. Just text me or email me anytime and bring that up and we'll talk about it. I'll have to go back and look at his record and see what happened from
that's fair.
State side. I don't know what happened on your side either, obviously. At this point in time, did you say you need an offer on this case, correct?
That's correct. We'd like to confer, Judge.
All right, let's reset and state, get an offer off. Mr. Serna with regard to Mr. Halverson, okay?
Yeah, just so that state knows, I'm sure they know, but the results came back negative on the labs. And so we wanted to talk to them about that.
Okay. If you want to come back today at 3:30, you can chat with them in a breakout room. Otherwise, you've got a week to get with them and do whatever you want to do.
Okay, Judge, I'll go ahead and log on back at 3:30.
All
That's
right.
okay.
That's right.
Can my client be excused?
You bet. Thank you, Caesar.
Thank you, Judge. Take care.
One of his hitmen with us today.
Brian's on.
Brian, talk to me about William Barrett.
Hey, Judge, how you doing?
Okay.
So I believe he's a fugitive, Judge. I think he issued a warrant for some missed tests. He's a truck driver and has weird hours, and so had missed several tests while sleeping through the device. So I'm trying to get him to do a walkthrough to get that cleared up with you.
Have you received an offer on this case yet?
No, I do not believe so.
State, at your ability, file off an offer on Mr. Barrett for Sean Brown's office and Brian Orhel, and it's reset for a week to get that going. And then during that time frame, if you want to contact me in some capacity, other than calling me on the phone, so I have a record of what you're doing, let's look at it, whatever happened, and see if we can fix it.
All righty, we'll do it, Judge.
All right. And that's what
thanks,
we
sir.
got for you guys, I think.
Yes, I believe so, Judge.
All right, thanks. Sharon Thorne.
Afternoon, Your Honor. I have three cases, Judge. Let me go through the real easy one. Andrew DeLeon, the state has made me an offer. He's going to accept it. I will send my email to Pat, and I just need a date to do the plea.
Okay.
We can do it this Thursday at 2:00 if you are available.
I think I am. I've got to check with him, but
Okay, we'll check with and let me know yes or no. The next one would be 27th.
okay. Okay, that's the easy one. Okay. The other one is Joe Monsibias. It's a new case, Your Honor.
Yeah.
I have not received an offer yet. I did email Ross, and so I'm just waiting for him to give me offer on that one.
Let's reset that one for a week for you to get the offer.
Wait. Not a week, Your Honor, because the 25th is a really bad day for me. So if we could reset it for 2 weeks, or and then the third one is Humberto Apolar. Same thing. The state just chatted me an answer. I think they're going to make me an offer, which probably is something we can resolve, but I need time. So if we could reset Monsibias and Apollonar to 2 weeks.
Sure.
Okay. All right.
And on both those guys. So state at your ability, file off an offer for Ms. Thorne on Mr. Apollonar and Mr. Monsibias.
Okay. And I will send Pat the email on my client
and just let me know what day, the 20th or the 27th.
I will. Thank you, Judge. May be excused.
You're out of here. Barry Hitchings, talk to me about David Martinez, please.
Oh, Your Honor, I was waiting for an offer on Ross, but that may be academic at this point. You should have a violation report on your desk that came in. He's picked up a felony, state jail felony theft under 2500 enhanced. And the violation report says he's a pre-indictment fugitive. So I called him when I got the violation report, left a message on an answering machine over the weekend, but no response so far.
Okay, well, he's either going to have a warrant for failing to show up today, so to speak, because you haven't been able to contact him, or have a warrant on the violation report, which I don't think I've seen yet, or you already have it out.
Well, he's a pre-indictment fugitive, and it's an active warrant already out on him on the new case.
Okay. He'll have one from us too at some point.
Okay. Now, that's all I've got to say on David Michael Martinez.
And that's the only case I've got for you, I think.
It is, Your Honor.
All right, thanks, sir. You're out of here. Rosendo Para, are you with us?
I do not have him, Your Honor.
Mike Bellevue, are you with us?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, I am, Your Honor.
Mike, talk to me about Luis Carrion.
Well, I need an offer, but he's got almost $7,000 in tickets that we're trying to clear up so he can try to get his license back.
Ooh, that sounds like a colorful one. All right, so you need an offer on driving while license invalid.
Right.
We reset for a week for the state to get you that offer, and then you can chat with your client about it.
Okay.
And let's talk about Kendrick Richardson, gunfighter.
Right. Well, he's also got a DWI set for trial, I think in March.
Yes, Your Honor. On March 28th, he's set for trial on a DWI.
Okay. Let's all hold our breath and see if that comes up. So we're good on Mr. Richardson. Everything is
Yes,
I
have contact with him. We talk periodically. So
okay.
So we're setting it for trial with the other?
Did he have the handgun with him at the time he was stopped for DWI?
No, this is a separate incident.
All right, separate incident. You want to set the handgun for jury trial also?
He has never said, so yeah, might as well.
Okay,
Set them both for jury trial, set them both on the 28th, and then we'll see what happens.
of course.
All right, that's all I got for you, Mike. Thanks.
Thank you.
Will Brooks, are you with us?
I do not have him.
Frank Sandoval, are you with us?
I do not have him.
Elizabeth Russell, are you with us?
I do not have her.
Greg Van Cleve, are you with us?
Do not have him.
And these are all 3 o'clock.
Yes, Your Honor.
Teresa Garcia, are you with us?
No, Your Honor, she has not checked in yet.
Jeff Martinez, are you with us?
He is not checked in, Your Honor, but we do have Mr. Renteria.
Okay, Tony, talk to me about Eddie Marquez Sanchez, please.
He was here, Your Honor. He was one of the first.
Tony Renteria, are you still with us?
He might have left, Your Honor.
All right, we'll work with him. Kirby Whalen, are you with us?
Yes, Your Honor.
I got you. Talk to me about Jaime Ramirez, please.
I need to get him set up for a plea hearing sometime after like next Monday or Tuesday.
Okay, Mr. Wayne, how about the 27th? I'll go into the courthouse and he needs to go in but I need for him and you to go there so you can do the paperwork.
That's what the plan is.
Okay, and go in early. So I'll be there all day anyway. So come in early so you can do the paperwork and then I can scan it to the judge.
All right, we'll do
All
that.
right, I'll see you then.
All right, thank you.
Jesse's apartment, let me find you again.
I've got Gustavo Guerrero, Your Honor.
Gotcha.
It was on 2:30.
Gustavo Guerrero, what's going on with Gustavo?
I haven't been able to get in touch with him, Judge. No contact. The number that was left for me belongs to someone else. And apparently he was granted a PR bond back in February of last year.
I'm gonna issue an FTA warrant on him. If you find him before we do, let me know and we can pull it back.
Okay, thank you.
That's all I got for you. Thanks.
Your Honor, on the one on top of his would be Carlos Ramirez is in, Your Honor, the attorney, or after him, Thomas Limon.
Carlos Ramirez, are you with us?
Yes, sir. I have Albert Aguilar's case.
Correct. Are you in touch with Mr. Aguilar?
Yes, sir. And he's got a felony set in the 144th on January 25th.
Have you received an offer on this case, or are they going to TIC this case, or what do you think?
I have not received any offer or anything. I've reached out by email to both prosecutors. I haven't heard anything back, but I would anticipate something like taken into consideration. Yeah.
State, I assume you don't make offers on allied cases when there's a felony pending. Is that what you're doing?
Looking at it right now, Judge, to make sure that that's the case. Most likely that is going to be true. I just don't want to quote.
Just to keep this on my radar. When is the jury trial set? I'm sorry, or the felony case?
The next January 25th, Judge.
Pat, when is our next arraignment?
It would be the first.
How about just set the same day, January 25th? Just to keep it on the radar. We'll understand if you don't show because you're going to be at the felony side of it or something. Probably.
Okay, got it.
That way.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, thanks. Thomas,
bye-bye.
You're out of here. Thomas Limon, talk to me about Tamara Hurd, please.
Yes, sir. I've conferred with Ross, Mr. Lewis, and we have a pretty fair offer. Just hoping to get a short reset and maybe get this plead out soon.
A 1 week reset work for you?
What was that? 1 week? Yeah, that'll work, sir.
All right, you got it.
All right, you have a great
Your
day.
Honor, Joe Steinberg is in, Your Honor. He has several cases.
May my client be dismissed, Your Honor.
You bet. Thank you.
Thank you.
Your Honor.
Let me find Joe.
Excuse me, Your Honor.
Yes. Joe Stenberg, talk to me about Miriam Billaboa.
I need a 2 week reset on her because I have to write her a letter. because everything else is no good. Phone numbers, bail bond.
Have you ever had contact with her?
No. But I can write her a letter and hopefully.
I'll give you one more week to find her. If you don't find her by next Tuesday, let us know and we'll have to issue a warrant for her, okay?
All righty.
And that's got 2-week reset on her. So good luck on the search party.
So
Next,
just reset it for a week.
let's just reset for 1 week. And bottom line is if you haven't had contact with her, you don't need to show up. Just let Pat know you haven't been able to catch her.
All righty.
All right. Talk about Jesus Garcia now.
That's the one supposedly go to Veteran Treatment Court.
Chris, are you with us today?
He was, Your Honor.
I'm here, Judge.
Talk to me about Jesus Garcia. Is he on your radar?
Yes, Judge. He is. He turned in the application. He is missing the DD 214, which I emailed him back and let him know nothing will move forward until he turns in that piece of paper, and I haven't heard anything back from him.
I think I have that.
And I instructed him, Mr. Stenberg, that he needs to send that all in. For some reason, these military guys are forgetting the basics. So if you
scan it and send it to you today.
Okay, sir. Perfect.
Thank you, neighbor.
I'm going to reset you for 1 week on that just to keep you on my radar. Once we receive all his documents and stuff and Chris gives us a green light, then we'll reset for 30 days so he can do his in-processing for VTC application, okay?
Thank you.
And I got one more, Joe, on Anthony Rodriguez.
Yes, sir.
What's going on with Anthony?
As far as I know, we're just waiting.
You're in contact with Mr. Rodriguez?
Oh, yeah.
Received an offer yet on this case?
I don't see one.
State need an offer on Mr. Rodriguez for Mr. Stenberg. Let's reset that one a week to get the offer.
Your Honor, he has 2 more cases.
That I'm not seeing on here?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. He's got 3 cases apparently pending, Joe. I don't see them, but Pat says
No,
that.
he's got 2 more cases.
But not on our docket today.
Yes, on our docket today.
One is Hicks, Hicks.
Oh, I'm sorry. Not that defendant doesn't have 2 more cases. Joe Stenberg has 2 more cases.
Right, it's 2 more. I'm sorry. I apologize.
Daniel Hicks. Talk to me about Dan. Are you in contact with Mr. Hicks?
Well, emails, yes.
All right, that's good. And have you received an offer yet?
No.
State, we need an offer on 2 cases, it looks like, for Mr. Hicks, for Mr. Stenberg. Let's reset that one a week. Talk to me about Jose Cardona.
I'm definitely in contact with him.
Okay.
And let me see. Dang it. So sorry.
Do you recall if you received an offer from the state on Mr. Cardona yet or not?
I have not received an offer.
All right, state, let's fire off.
And I know what happened. Last time we were going to get an offer, but then Ross's computer was working.
All right. I'm gonna reset you a week on that one, and state during that week, please fire an offer off on Mr. Cardona for Mr. Stenberg.
Thank you.
And you're out of here, Joe. That's all I got for you.
Thank you, neighbor. Bye-bye.
You're out of here. Angela, let me find you.
Excuse me, Your Honor.
Yes, Judge.
This is
Angela, talk to me about Jeremy Muniz, please.
I just received an offer today, Judge, but we are not accepting it.
Okay. You want to go on the jury trial docket?
Yes, please.
There you go. So we're good on that one. That's all I got for you.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, thanks. Let's see where we ended up. Anthony Zamora with us today.
No, Your Honor.
Stephen Harkowitz with us today.
Your Honor, that has been reset.
Okay. Eric Hernandez with us today.
Yes, Your Honor.
Talk to me about Thomas Brown, por favor.
Yes, Your Honor. I sent an email to the state on the 13th of last week. I'm still waiting on offer. I've sent a couple of emails. I don't know if there's a felony pending or something that's preventing, but I just need an offer so I can discuss it with Mr. Brown.
All right, state, file an offer. Actually, 2 offers. You got 2 cases or 3 cases.
We've got 3 cases.
And let's reset that one for a week to give you time to get the offers and chat with your client, okay?
Very well, Your Honor. Yeah, I'm available the afternoon 25th. Very well.
All right, we're good. That's the only case I've got for you that I see.
Yes,
Lisa
sir.
Floyd, are you with us?
No, Your Honor.
Steve Gilmore, are you with us?
Your Honor, he emailed me and said that he had been given a pretrial diversion on Gerald Anui, and he thought that he was probably going to have to do a jury trial for Mr. Martinez.
All right. We contact him at your ability and just let him know to let us know once he formally applies for BTD with the DA.
Yes, sir.
And then reset for 30. Doug Kaplan, are you with us?
Yes, Your Honor.
Talk to me
Hello,
about
Judge.
Harley Davidson, Katie.
I am in touch with him. He wants to get an offer to try to plead it out this week if possible. And the other gentleman I have, I believe, is a fugitive.
Let's reset Mr. Katie for 1 week. State, we need an offer on, looks like 1 case, ABI, 2 cases, theft and a family violence looking thing. And let's see what the second one is.
James has FBI.
Yeah, the second one.
It's John Vasquez, Your Honor.
Yeah. And he's got 1, 2, 3, 4 issues.
Yeah, Your Honor, I asked for, it's kind of strange. He had 2 cases out of the County Court 13, but they did not transfer over the ABI. They did the violation of protective order, but not the ABI. I believe the ABI has either it's an active warrant or there's a trial. So I'm going to have to talk to Sybil and see if she can get it with us, send it to us again.
How long do you reckon that'll take?
I don't know, Your Honor. I'll try tomorrow to see if I can get her to transfer that other one over.
All right.
I mean, I'm doing it.
Doug, let's reset for a week with the understanding if you need more time or nothing gets resolved, just call Pat and you don't need to show up on the dang thing.
Yes, I don't have the information on the assault bodily injury family violence case for Harley. Is that my case? Does anybody see that?
Yes.
Is your
Yes.
case?
Okay,
And it is in this court.
we're gonna request it today.
Okay.
All right. Thank you.
All right, so that's what I got for you. Thanks.
Excuse. Thank you, sir.
Flavio, talk to me about Jacob Porter, please.
I'd like to confer with the state and get an offer today.
If you want to come back at 3:30, we can let you do that or just hang out.
I'll come back at 3. I'll hang out till 3:30, Judge.
I'm going to just set you for a week just to keep you on my radar. And then if that changes, just let Pat know.
I'd like to confer today if possible.
And we're going to do that. No problem. Okay. Brett Hardy, are you with us?
I don't believe so, Your Honor.
Leslie Herbst, are you with us?
He does. He is here.
Talk to me about Robert Williams, please. I'm sorry, Jeffrey Burnett, please.
I'm in contact with them. And I'm waiting for offer from the state. And I think we can dispose of this case.
For some reason, I'm not able to understand what you're saying. You might want to check with your microphone situation.
Can you hear me now?
I got you now. We're good. Talk to me about Jeffrey Burnett, please.
Okay, I'm in contact with Mr. Burr. And I'm waiting for the state to make us an offer, and I'm confident that we can work it out.
Needs an offer, Your Honor.
All right. So let's reset a week to give you time to do that. Will that work?
Yes, sir.
Just let Pat know what you come up with.
Very good. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Mary Petracek, are you with us?
Your Honor, she's in federal court. That has been reset.
All right. James Myrat, are you with us?
Yes, Your Honor.
Talk to me about Mario Medellin.
Your Honor, it looks like he's left his desk.
Derek Ritchie, are you with us?
No, Your Honor.
Your Honor, I'm here for Derek Ritchie, Weston Iceman. I'm his
Oh,
assistant.
there you go.
Okay, talk to me about Samantha Ringham, please.
Your Honor, if you just want to do a week reset, I still haven't gotten a plea from the state. I'll continue just to reach out and email them and
All right,
what.
we need an offer on Samantha Ringham for Mr. Ritchie's office, and we'll reset a week. No problem. Thanks.
Judge.
And Sean Sheffield with us.
No, Your Honor.
Harrison Declan with us.
I'm here, Your Honor.
Talk to me about Luz Lora, Loera, please.
Your Honor, I reached out to the prosecutor, but I'm yet to get an offer from them. So we could reset for that.
State, fire off an offer. I've got two cases. They're both ABI family.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Reset a week on that. We're good on that. Okay, thanks. Dylan George, are you with us?
Your Honor, he was signing in.
I'm here, Judge.
Talk to me about Angel Perez, please.
He's here today, Judge. I'd just like to confer.
Okay, I'm going to reset you for 1 week. State, we need an offer, but in the meantime, you're welcome to hang around until 3:30 and I can let you confer with somebody.
Yeah, sure.
All right, thanks. Jonathan Ross, I see you lurking. Talk to me about Robert Perez.
Yes, sir. He's here. We're waiting an offer on that.
Okay. State need an offer on Robert Perez for Mr. Ross. If you want to hang around a few minutes and chat with him today, John, you're welcome to do that. Otherwise, I'll reset you a week.
All right, I'll hang around. Thanks, Judge.
Thanks. Charles Gold, talk to me about Diego Mancia Miranda.
Diego Mancia Miranda, Judge. This is our first court appearance, so it's just weeks ago. I need to look at the videos. I need to get an offer. That's kind of where we're at. This is a transfer to court.
Okay, state, fire up an offer if you would on Diego Mancia Miranda. And looks like some sort of terroristic threat thing. And to Mr. Gold, let me reset you for a week, keep you on my radar, make sure you get the offer and talk to your client. Will that work?
I think so.
All right, you're good on that. Thank you, Charles.
My reset. I'm good to go.
You're good to go. We'll reset you for 1 week.
Thank you.
And talk to me about Patrick Granger.
He's here, Your Honor. He was here.
George, you still with us? He'll come back.
Okay, Your Honor. We have a lot of other people coming back in, Your Honor, so you can go through and see who is here.
Let's go. Joe Guy, you mean? Let me find you again.
Margie.
Joe, talk to me about Margie Ornelas, please.
Yes, Your Honor, I am in contact with with my client. I did get an offer yesterday evening from Mr. Villarreal. I'd like to discuss this with him at 3:30, Your Honor, and perhaps if we could get a reset for 2 weeks, since next week I'm going to be unavailable.
No problem. We'll reset you for 2 weeks and hang around, and we're going to get you in there to chat with them this afternoon. Thanks.
All right. Thank you, Your Honor.
Your Honor, we have Fernando Ramos here. Right after.
Talk to me about Omar Garnica, please.
As a judge, no offer. May we reset to February 3rd?
We do not have dockets on February 3rd.
All right, February 2nd?
When? No,
second.
Only on Tuesday.
Only on Tuesdays for this stuff.
So it'd be the 1st.
Okay.
Okay.
First, it's fine, Judge.
So state at your ability, file up an offer for Mr. Ramos on Mr. Garnica, and we're resetting that for February 1st. Talk to me about Johnny Lewis, please.
Same thing, Judge. No offer, February 1st.
That's the plan. Thanks.
Thank you, Judge.
And Jason Goss, ever show?
No, Your Honor.
Monica Kirala, ever show?
I do not have her.
Joseph Renteria, let me find you.
It would be under Tony. Eddie Marquez Sanchez, Your Honor.
I'm looking. What time was this, Mr. Ontario's?
It's at 3 o'clock, Your Honor, and it would be under Tony Renteria. And it would be above Kirby Whalen.
Got it. Talk to me about Eddie Marquez Sanchez, please. Tony, your microphone's turned off.
Yes, Your Honor. An offer has been sent by email, and I glanced at it, and I need some time to discuss with my client. So I'd like to ask the court to reset it for a week.
Can do. Are you in contact with your client? Apparently you are.
Yes, Your Honor.
All I need to know. Thanks. You're out of here.
Okay. Next week, Your Honor.
Teresa Garcia on that same page on a Jose Armando Solis.
Teresa, talk to me about Jose Solis, please.
Yes, Judge, I believe that this is our first setting. Can I get a reset? It's a DWI. We're waiting on more evidence.
Are you in contact with Mr. Solis?
I am, Judge.
Received an offer from the state yet?
No, I have not.
State, please file an offer for Ms. Garcia on Mr. Solis. Let's reset you for a week. Will that give you enough time, Teresa, to figure it out?
Judge, can I have 2 weeks?
Sure.
Thank you so much.
Good to go on that. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Anybody from Gregory Van Cleve's office show up?
No, Your Honor, that would also be Elizabeth Russell.
I'm sorry. Wait. A blast from the past. Let me find out. Are you still in Dallas? Where are you at these days?
I never went to Dallas.
Oh, where did you go?
Just to my office here in San Antonio, Judge.
I don't know where you disappeared though.
I've got to wait my turn. I just stepped out of a mediation.
Matthew Garcia. Are you in contact with Mr. Garcia?
Yes, sir.
Have you received an offer from the state?
I have received the last offer the state made to the previous lawyer I subbed in for.
All right. And then do you need time to talk to him about the offer, or do you want a jury trial setting? What do you want?
I emailed them and I would like some time to confer with them. I emailed them last week when the docket got emailed around.
Hang on here about another 10 minutes. We can let you confer today. But in the meantime, if I reset for a week, give you enough time to figure it out.
Yes, sir. Can I check back in? I'm going to go back to my mediation and then come back to confer.
Sure, absolutely. Otherwise, you just reset till next week. All right, we're good, Adam. Thanks. Will Brooks, let me find you.
Judge, it's George Sherman. Am I on your docket today?
I called you and I figured I would have thought you'd be at the Cadillac, but there is no Cadillac, so you got over on that one. Let me find you again. Let me find Will and find George, whoever comes up first.
George will be the last one.
Thank you very much.
Oh, look at that, the last one. All right, talk to me about Marcus Granger, George.
Well, this is a new case. This is the first appearance, and it looks like I've got a deposition set in the ALR on February 15th on the police officer here. So we've got more discovery to get done.
Let's do this. Let's put you on the jury trial docket to buy you some time. That goes to what, April 18th or something?
Yes, Your Honor, April 18th.
And then you can try to get your discovery by then, and whatever else happens, just let Pat know.
Will do.
All right, that's all I got for you. Thanks.
Thank you.
All right,
Will Brooks is at 3:30, Your Honor.
I'm sorry, who is what?
Will Brooks is at 3.
Okay, I'm looking.
It is Angel Mejia.
Got it. What's going on with Angela Mejia, Will?
Judge, I've got an offer. I've conferred. She's got a warrant, and I'd hope to resolve it, but she's gone MIA as of the past 2 weeks.
All right, I'm gonna have to issue an FTA warrant for her. If you find her before I do, let me know. We pull the warrant back.
Understood, Judge.
All right, thanks. And James Myrat, let me find you. Who else is out there?
Mario Medellin. Your Honor.
Here I am. Here, hi, good afternoon.
Hold on. Until you
Medellin. I think this is my first setting here. I've not had contact with this defendant yet.
Let me find you on my hit list here.
Okay.
What time is Mr. Myrat's client?
3 o'clock, Your Honor. And if you find Mary Petrocek.
No. Did you say 3 o'clock for Mr. Myrat?
Yes.
Okay, we'll just give me a call if you have any questions in the meantime, okay? Yes. Yes. You're very welcome, Mr. Blanco. We'll talk soon. Okay, bye-bye.
It'd probably be the second to the last page, Your Honor, around that.
3 o'clock though, correct?
Yes, 3 o'clock.
There it is. Got it. Talk to me about Mario Medellin.
I have not had any contact with Mr. Medellin since since I've been appointed. So
that been?
Yeah. I don't think we've had any contact with him.
How long has it been since you've been appointed is my question.
Yeah.
A month, probably.
Month. Yeah, not long.
I'm gonna have to issue an FTA warrant on him. If you find him before we do, let us know and we'll pull the warrant back.
Okay, yeah,
And that's all we can do under the circumstances.
3 weeks. Okay, thank you.
Thanks.
Okie dokie.
And we got any other lawyers out there we haven't talked?
Mr. Sheffield is in. It would be the last page around that area.
Sean, talk to me about Kyle Lambert, please.
Your Honor, we were here last week. We were waiting for an offer. I think we're trying to work out a pretrial diversion. I have had contact with my client. So that's where we are, Judge.
All right. Have you actually applied for pretrial diversion yet, or the state offered it? What's going on?
They were looking into it, Judge, just to make sure they were going to be able to offer it first.
Hey, what do you know about that? This is a handgun case.
See any notes, Judge, but I'll look at the case and I will email Mr. Sheffield.
All right, let's do that in the next week. I'm going to reset you for 1 week, Sean. And if they offer pretrial diversion, just let Pat know. And once you actually formally get your pretrial diversion application in, we'll reset 30 days, okay?
Okay, thanks, Judge.
Week to week until we get something figured out.
Sounds good. Thanks, Judge.
Okay, Your Honor, Jeffrey Martinez is coming in. I believe the other ones are waiting so that they can talk with prosecutors.
Yep. Jeffrey Martinez, let me find you. What time is Jeff's appointment?
3 o'clock, Your Honor, page 13.
3 o'clock.
Got it. Talk to me about Pam Martinez.
Yes, Your Honor. She's been accepted into the PTD program.
Right.
Got a problem with traveling. Her husband got orders to move to Tampa starting in February, mid-February. So I sent an email to Mr. Lewis requesting if we can agree that she can do the PTD. There's one thing that you have to stay in Bexar County. So that's an answer I need to see if she can do that.
All right. So her husband's got to move to Florida. She would like to move to Florida, but she can't move to Florida and still be eligible for pretrial diversion. Is that where we're at?
Yeah, that's correct, Your Honor.
And so she
can be if the state allows her to move and amends that little sentence in the PTD program, then she can sign it.
State, I've never seen y'all do that, but it's okay with me if it's okay with y'all.
I'll look into it, Judge, and I'll get back to Mr. Martinez.
I'm going to reset you for a week, Jeff, just to keep you on my radar and get an answer to that one, okay?
Okay, Ross, you need me to resend you the email?
Yeah, go ahead, just to be safe.
Okay, we'll see y'all next week, Your Honor.
All right, thanks.
Yes, sir.
I just need to check one thing. Richard Rivera, are you an attorney or a defendant?
Defendant.
Okay. All right, Your Honor. Everybody else is here waiting to go into breakout rooms. I just need to find out which ones are Ross and which ones are Eddie. And the PTC guys are here. I don't know whether they need to speak to you.
All right. Mr. Decline,